Welcome back to the NACFORADVENTURE YouTube. My name is AJ, and I'm an artist. Something I have been thinking a lot about lately is how I define myself to the world. And sometimes one word or phrase doesn't sum it up enough. I'm a filmmaker, a skier, a mountain biker, a painter, a drawer, a seamstress, a cook, a plant caretaker, yet one thread weaves in between all of these roles. One of creativity and artistry. But even these specific labels don't fully quantify my being. I believe that artists choose to manipulate their environment to convey certain feelings or experiences, which helps them have a deeper understanding of life on Earth. For it isn't about the outcome they share, but rather the process in its entirety. We as artists have control over our creations. What if I told you that this video was even a facade? That this really isn't my own voice? I'm actually from the land where people pronounce mountains like mountains. And for some reason, YouTube likes it when I use this voice. And my inner theatre kid enjoys playing with the perception people have of me. Especially as I navigate a world where I share snippets of my life online. So what are you going to choose to believe? Whether you think it's true or not, I do want to share that this past year has been one of the most mentally challenging times of my life. I'm trying to figure out who I am as I age and endure life. In the moment, it was hard, and the worst part, it was all in my head. But perhaps that is also what gave me some sense of relief and power, for I was able to take responsibility and move forward. I acknowledge where this difficult time has guided me. Each trial and tribulation is an opportunity to learn about myself, and I found creation to be an outlet for reflection. About this time last year, I released my debut ski film. It's called Renaissance Woman, and it was a little bit of my heart and soul in the form of digital media. I shared my thoughts about art, I shared my friends' talents, I scored some sick tans. It's led me to some amazing moments. The film was even selected for 2 film festivals, each which brought me to beautiful places across the country. First, we encountered some monumental snowfall at Mammoth Mountain Film Festival, where we walked to and fro the theatre during nighttime blizzards. And later in the year, we headed up north to the Winterland Impact Film Festival, which led us to this exact moment. While the technological advances of media have been the main driver of these travels, I can fully say that the welcome result has been the ability to experience the natural wonders of the outside world. Mother Earth, the original artist, who shows us that imperfections are perfection in itself, that we have the right to exist just as we are. And maybe this realization has stimulated my drive towards healing from the constructs of my own mind. Once we let the outside into our souls, we are able to love and embrace the artistry of life. move forward in this life? What's the next step? The path isn't always clear, but I think what gives me hope is the fact that I am solely responsible for the perceptions I hold around my life. I am in control. And choosing to spend time in nature and with loved ones isn't a bad place to begin. Thanks so much to Stio for sponsoring this week's video and reflection. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the NACFORADVENTURE YouTube channel. Check out our other socials for more outdoor content. I hope to see you next time. Keep on crushing.